Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, Euro dollar, nothing really changed yesterday at interest rate. I still think that this is very likely to make an uptrend, but you have to realize this is the monthly, and this is probably like a 2 year uptrend. I still think this is like a wave A over here. I still think this is a wave B, and I still think we need to make 5 waves up for a wave C of an expanding flat. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still am looking at this as 5 waves up like a wave 1. This looks like a WXY wave 2, and I still think we're in subdivisions of a wave 3, which, yeah, we are going down right now, but I think that will make a higher low and most likely end up continuing up, making those higher highs, higher lows, all part of this big wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, we definitely did break sorts and did a downside on the daily, and I'm definitely still looking for sorts. I thought yesterday's FOMC would cause it to break to the upside, but really it didn't cause anything at all. It was actually a very, very, very slow news event. To me, it actually kind of looks like a downtrend. I do still think it's going to break up, but it almost kind of seems like the next move up is actually going to be part of a wave B of an A, B, C correction before it actually does go up. But sometimes what we think is a wave B just actually ends up continuing the uptrend. So if it does break to the upside, I definitely will be looking for longs because it easily could just keep on trending up when it does break. So going down to the 4 hour time frame based on that information that I was just looking at on the higher time frames, I am definitely looking for sorts right now because we do not have a break to the upside yet. It does look to me like this is more like a wave A now. I'm not really convinced it's actually a complete correction. So if it does break to the upside, it actually might end up being a correction to the move down, like a wave B. But either way, I definitely will start looking for logs if it does break. If it doesn't break, I definitely will continue to look for sorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely only looking for sorts because it has not broken up yet. I would be looking to go sort here, be looking to go sort there, be looking to sort every chance I get. So if you do see an opportunity to go sort, which kind of looks like it's trying to go sort right now, then I would definitely take it unless it breaks structure to the upside. The only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer is seeing a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.